Okay, places everybody. It's time for the pre-show check. Let's see here. All right, raise the fountains. Light the lights. It's time to get things started with the...
Pre-show safety announcements.
And because it's our 70th anniversary, we promise to make it fun, entertaining, and...
legally compliant.
Oh, good grief.
And before World of Color, starting now.
Okay, Sam, you're on.
Honored guests, we are gathered here this evening to witness the great Disneyland tradition of the Nighttime Spectacular.
Hit it, Rolf.
Oh yeah! In just a few more minutes, it begins.
What?
World of Color. The lights over Paradise Bay will dim, so do not wonder. Please remain right where you are for your safety and others. It's imperative that everyone enjoys the show safely. So sing and dance and have some fun, but don't jump in the bay, please.
Don't jump in the bay? Well, no one said don't jump over the bay. That could be perfect for my stunt spectacular.
Wait a second, Gonzo. That sounds kind of dangerous. You didn't
Joe
say...
from Legal. The message was delivered, but obviously not received. Please repeat.
What? But Sam just left. Oh, Dr. T, perfect. I need the Electric Mayhem to sing these safety guidelines.
Deepest regratifications, Froggy. But we have indeed misplaced one extraordinarily fuzztacular drummer.
Yeah, we can't find Animal anywhere.
For sure. Is that little football animal?
Kermit, running out of time.
Ooh, Rolf, pick up the tempo.
Sure, we go faster.
Okay, now who is gonna sing this?
What is going on here? Where are all the effects? Come on, give it all you got. That's all you got? I said more! All right, let's get this over with. Legal Shmegal, blah, blah, blah. Don't jump in the bay. Jump in the bay? Who does that?
Regrettably, Legal Shmegal is not recognized by our judicial system. We're going to need that again with clarity.
Minute and a half, boss.
What? Okay, I need someone to sing this a little faster and a lot more clearly.
Not clear.
Come along, Vicky. I think you have a lovely singing voice.
Okay, none of that was clear.
No, it was not. Oh, Fozzie. No.
You know this lagoon has 1,200 fountains? Talk about a multifaceted show! Waka waka!
Pardon the interruption. Nope.
45 seconds.
Okay, time for the big finish. Everyone, all together. You too, audience.
Sorry. And don't jump in the bay, please.
I'm okay.
Huh, the eagle was right. That really was a spectacular. A spectacular disappointment. Yeah, you're all wet. Despite these mixed messages, the Muppet Studio does not condone, encourage, nor advise entry in the bay via jumping, leaping, or cannon. Now, if you're thinking of ignoring these legal guidelines, as an attorney, I'd advise you to quit it. Or should I say, I'll quit it. Now please listen to the following.
Good evening, everyone. In just a few minutes, the lights surrounding Paradise Bay will be dimmed, so you may fully experience Disney's nighttime spectacular, World of Color Happiness. For your safety and for the safety of others, please remain in the same area until the lights return to normal. And please be advised that guests located close to the waterfront will get wet. We hope you enjoy our presentation, beginning in just a few minutes. Thank you.
Buenas noches a todos. En tan solo unos minutos, las luces alrededor de Paradise Bay se atenuarán para que puedan disfrutar del gran espectáculo nocturno de Disney, World of Color Happiness. Por su seguridad y la de los demás, por favor permanezcan en su sitio hasta que las luces sean restauradas. Y por favor tengan en cuenta que los visitantes situados cerca de la orilla del agua se mojarán. Esperamos que disfruten de nuestra presentación que comenzará en tan solo unos minutos. Gracias.
That's entertainment. Should have had those guys do that in the first place.